guys, welcome to Sickled channel, and this is the week 2 of me trading Propfirm. So here I took 4 trades this past week and I won 1, 2 I closed before full SL and 1 I lost. So this is the trade I took on GU. I took this trade. So I was supposed to risk $50, but I didn't because it was late hours and I don't know. I was like, I don't know how their spread used to be when the market is closing. So I divided my risk. I entered it 20 and it was a $2.8 2.8R returns. So then I took the second trade around there and I got stopped out. Although I closed when I realized that I was wrong. So my mistake here was this reaction after studying this weekend happened on a higher time frame order block. So I was longing it to take this out. Then I got stopped out. I left when before the full stop loss. I left the trade before full stop loss on it. On Euro USD, I was shorting the market during the morning session, London Open, and I got stopped out. The reason for the SL was the late time. The timing, kill zone timing, it was late. Then around there, I was longing based on reaction from this fair value gap, but I closed when I saw that it was finding it hard to continue upward, and it was same trade with GU. This is reacting from a higher time frame fair value gap. Was later I noticed it. Was why I closed the trade. And I was a trade I missed on GU. It impacted me psychologically. I was emotional. The trade I missed on GU I got home and I was tired, so I didn't open the phone to check a trade. So I got stopped out. I missed that trade and I said I won't trade for the week, but I end up taking a trade during NSP. And this trade, I was emotional during this trade. Because I got somehow tucked in. I did not want to take a trade, and I went ahead and opened. Somebody talked to me like let's look at the chart, and I just opened and we are discussing. That was immediately I saw an expansion upward, and I was like, this is my thing. But if I wasn't present, this is my thing, and I opened. This was what I did. I opened a trade here. So it stopped me out. It still went my way. So the mistake there was I should have allowed the 1 hour candle to close first before opening a trade. I opened this trade using 15 minutes candle, which is what I normally do. So this was my A plus. Normally this is what I trade. And I got stopped out, which is okay. What wasn't okay was I said I was done, and I still went ahead and opened the trade, which is bad. So when you say you are done, you should be done. So it affected me. Like I was not myself after taking this loss, after saying I'm done trading for the week, and when I went ahead to still to trade, because I said I was done for the week because I noticed that I missed a trade on GU. That is really my thing. And this was the trade. London low was swept into a fair value gap, and you got a change in state of delivery right here. I got a change of state in delivery right here. I did not open my phone. Okay, my phone switched off and I was tired actually because I was charging. When I wake up in the middle of the night and I check and I saw that okay, my setup happened. This is the same thing, that I took here, which is London high sweep, and change the state of the week. Took a short. I took a short. This is London lows sweep. I marked it out, but I was just not present. So after seeing this and noticing that I missed the trade, the way I was feeling emotionally. So I said, no trade for this week. This week I'll trade next week. But I end up opening a trade. So this week, let's see how it goes. No forcing of trade, and I want to keep a physical activity. This week I will say no junk for myself. So I'll come back next week to see if I was able to hold myself from not taking junk this week. So don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment. Thank you very much.